Hello guys, today I will show you a technique you can use in earning news. It is a risky trade, but if you are a day trader you should try this technique. So I have made also before earning videos about earning dates and news and how you can profit from them. Okay, so I will just give you just an example how to do this technique, and you can try it even if you want to try it, even if you don't you do it on virtual account. Okay, it doesn't mean that you go and you do it with real money. Even if it is real money, you shouldn't put too much money, just little money, just to experience this. If you succeed in the future, you can try to do it with a bigger scale. Okay, so here is what you should do. In general, it's a very simple technique. Now, the first thing is you should see the earning news calendar. Now, what does it mean? It means if you are following some stocks, let's say you in your portfolio you try to see stocks. Let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say one of them, it says that the earning news date is today, okay, after market close, Now, so you have, for example, the stock is 51.60. I will just show you. Now, this is 4 p.m. Now, before, let's say after that we know that it is 51.60, but before the market close, this is the close. Before it closes, let's say 10 minutes or 5 minutes, just the time you can buy the stock. So you go here, let's say it is 51.55 cents. This is where you bought the stock. You buy. Now, from now on, your trade has begun. Okay? You bought at 51.55 and the stock closed at 51.60 cents. It means it's just either it go up, it go down, it doesn't matter here. Now, what you should do, you should wait and check the stock after hours. Now, you are not going to know and to get the news. Some people they listen to the news from the company, or they have a website where they can listen to the company announcement. Now, the company announcement, what's the information they give? They give you the quarter earning per share, which is EPS. Let's say we have the analyst earning per share. Let's say they say it is $1 15 cents. This is what the analysts say. Now, you should be waiting until the announcement. Now, if you can't reach the announcement, just watch the price, and you should continue to watch the price until this change. It begins to change. Now, when they announce, let's say they announce it is $2. It is something so good. Now, since the company said it is $2 per share, earning per share is $2, and the analysts say only $1.15, what does it mean? It means in general it is good news. So this good news, the stock will go up. Mostly a good news. Now you begin to see that 51 begin to change to 52, then 52, 50, then it begins to go very quick, very quick, and it's this opportunity that you should see the stock going up, and then when you see enough profit, you sell. Since you have bought already, you sell. Okay? Now, here I will give you more recommendations because you should understand this. First, you should see your broker first. Broker, this is very important. Now your broker, you should see what time it closes buying and selling, because buying and selling stocks. So understand that in general the market will continue from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is the after hours. But the problem here is that some brokers, they will stop at 5 p.m. They will not continue until 8. So you should ask your broker before what time the broker cannot reach the market, because the market is still open until 8. The exchange, it is open at 8. Some brokers you can buy at whatever time is here. So ask your broker, because maybe the stock is going up, and then it goes after 5, and then let's say the stock goes to 60, and then it's going down again. 60, 58, 55, just the stock is going down. And whenever it goes after 5 p.m., you cannot sell, because at 5 p.m. your broker is not linked to the exchange. So you should have an idea about your broker first before you do this strategy. Okay? Now, if the stock you see that it is going down, most of the time it's bad news and you should exit, and you should not stay in this trade. You should put a limit order, okay, and you exit the trade because there is no stop loss. You should put a limit order, and you should exit the trade if, let's say, it goes to 50 to 49. It means we have bad news. So this is a technique, but understand always that sometimes if the good news is there, your stock will be going up. Now, if you want to let it to tomorrow, this could be a swing trade, okay? Because when you are a day trader, you should sell. You should not wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow maybe this price will change and the stock will go down, because there is a big movement in the after hours work. Okay, so this is just a technique that you can use. One of my students, he tried before, and just he make a few $100 and then he exit the trade. Okay, so these are some techniques, but understand always that there is always risk to lose money. So if you want just to try it, you can do it in virtual account and you see many stocks. And it's better to see stocks that have gap up and gap down. It means, and most of these stocks you will see that have a high volume. Okay, a high volume. And then when you follow the stock like this, you will see that it's going up if we have good news, and you just open your broker and trade, and you only see the price. Even if you don't see the chart, the broker will give you a chart. But for you don't need a chart. You need only to see where the stock is going. Is it going down or up? Sometimes the stock moves so fast. Maybe you say to yourself, I will buy when I see the stock moving up. But sometimes you can't buy, because you only buy with a limit order. You can't use a market order after market hours or before market hours. You can't use it. There is no market. So you should only use limit order to buy or to sell. So when you buy before, you are just ready to begin the trade, because you are set up. Okay? And then you just watch the price, where it goes. If it's going up, you will begin to see money, especially when it goes up. Sometimes it goes $10, $15, $20. It depends on stocks. So you will be making a lot of money. Now, if this trade is bad, you should exit and you shouldn't wait that much. Okay? Because it is very dangerous and you are into a volatile trade, because the news is always volatile. Now, if you are scared, you can do only a virtual account trade. Just virtual, and you just do it. Okay? You don't need even a broker. You just go to exchange, you put the price, and you check if the stock is going up or going down, and it will show you the prices. So you don't need even your broker. Okay? But if you are going to do this trade, as I told you, you should ask your broker when the trade will stop. Understand that brokers are not the same. There are some brokers, they will let you trade until 8. Okay? 8 o'clock. It means you can trade, you can buy any stock, you can whatever you want to do. But understand that some stocks at 5 o'clock, it stops. If you want to buy or sell, and even if you call your broker, you say, okay, you can't do that. So maybe you get trapped. If for example, there is a bad, the stock is going down and you can't exit, and the broker, you can't reach the broker because he tells you that there is no trading after 5, so you get trapped, and then you have next day a gap down, and it will be so bad. Okay, so this is just a day trade technique. You can do it. In a day, because you just see if there is money, you stay. If there is no money, you exit. That's it. So thank you very much for watching. And if you have more ideas, or you want to or you have questions, please ask me or send me a private message. Thank you very much.